Did you know one small plant can bring peace, prosperity, and clean air to your living room? Jade plants naturally purify the air by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. In Feng Shui, jade is called the money plant, believed to attract wealth and harmony. It adds moisture to the air, helping combat dry skin and irritated sinuses, especially in winter. Greenery like jade plants can improve mood, reduce anxiety, and make your space feel more relaxing. They thrive on neglect. Jade plants are low maintenance and perfect for beginners. Plus, their glossy, rich green leaves make them a perfect addition to any living room decor. Add a jade plant to your living room, and enjoy beauty, balance, and a breath of fresh air. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Nutrient Fusion for more health and home tips.